Your videos are ignored by 90% of the traffic. That's a fact. New AI technology gets you more views, hyper-targeted traffic and sales. Fact number 1. There are over 400 hours of video uploaded to YouTube every minute. These days, just having a video won't make you stand out. Fact number 2. The first thing your viewers will see is your thumbnail. It doesn't matter how good your video content is, if your thumbnails are not grabbing attention, you'll never get the views that you deserve. And without views, you'll never get the results. Now more than ever, you need custom thumbnails that capture attention. It's proven that a good thumbnail can triple your views and traffic overnight. Find out how you can create breathtaking thumbnails with only 3 clicks using the Thumbnail Blaster. Here's what Thumbnail Blaster will do for you. You'll get more views, you'll get more traffic, you'll get more subscribers, you'll save thousands of dollars on templates, graphics and freelance fees, and you'll save time. You'll never have to wait for the freelancers to create it for you, sometimes up to a week or more, not to mention the fact that maybe you just won't like the end result. This is a must-have software for any video marketer.